Hello everyone! Today, we're going to learn how to delete our watch history on Facebook. If you've been wondering how to do this, stay tuned because we've got you covered. First, launch the Facebook application on your device. Then, tap on the Watch tab to access your watch history. Next, tap on your profile icon located at the top right corner. Then, access your watch history by tapping on your history. Unfortunately, there's no option to delete watch history from here. But don't worry, we have another method to delete it through settings. First, tap on your profile icon again to access your menu. Go to Settings and Privacy, and then tap on Privacy Shortcuts. Scroll down to your Facebook information and tap on Access Your Information. Tap on Activity across Facebook, and then select Videos you've watched. Here, you can either tap on individual videos to remove them or tap on Clear Video Watch History to delete all at once. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to delete your watch history on Facebook. It's a simple process that ensures your privacy and controls over your viewing activity. And that's it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Until next time, see ya!